Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that this is actually like our second YouTube video ever, so the quality of it is not going to be very good, and I'm aware of this, but I just want to give you my experience on unboxing a Google Home Mini since I've already had one, and it was pretty neat, and I thought, man, I could just share this with you guys and let you know what to expect out of it. So here you guys go. Let's do it. All right, so here we have a Google Home Smart TV Starter Kit, and we're just going to go ahead and unbox it and just show you guys what it comes with and what it's capable of doing. I have one of these already in my room, and it's pretty legit. All you really need is the Google Home speaker, and you can attach all kinds of smart devices to it without having to have like a smart hub or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and open it. So it actually comes, how does it look there?
Looks good.
All right.
A little bit.
Right here. All right, so it actually comes in the individual packaging inside. So here we have the Google Home Mini by itself, and then here we have the Google Chromecast, and then this is, I think this is just an empty box. I don't think there's anything in this. All right, so that was just filler then. All right, so we got the Google Home Mini and the Chromecast. So let's see. Actually has a pull tab. Where's that key? So the pull tab comes out. Now we got it. So it's just on the bottom. You just pull it. If you can get it up to the first place, and then it'll just open. All right. So then we have the Google Home Mini on the top. We got the micro USB in the back. We have the microphone mute switch, and it's just a speaker on its own there. And then let's see, we got a starter guide. We have the power adapter, and then that's it. The rest of the box is empty. So basically, you have the speaker, the power cable, and that's all you really need there. So now we have this open. So now we can just pop it open. All right. So now we have the Chromecast and the USB cable and the power adapter. It is pretty cool that they bring the power adapter. I was actually surprised that I had this. And then we have a micro USB cable. Yep, another micro USB cable that goes to the TV and the power adapter. So all you need is this, and you're set up. You can do the Google Home, it sets up to your Wi-Fi, and then if you get any smart things, you can get like the bulbs and the fan controllers and everything else. And as long as it works with Google Assistant, it won't need a hub for it to function with it. If you do get a hub, then everything will be linked to the hub, and it'll like lighten the load on your router, so everything will be controlled from the hub and not put a strain on your router, which I would work smoother. I mean, I have had mine glitch out once or twice since I've had it, but overall it's pretty smooth. So then now we're just gonna go set it up, and that'll be it on that. All right, so we are in my room, and now I'm gonna just do something simple, just like say, "Hey Google, turn off the TV," and there you guys see it actually turned off the TV. Now I could say the same thing and say, "Hey Google, turn on the TV," and it should power right back up. "Hey Google, turn on the TV." There we go. Now, see, there is one thing that I've noticed with it. One of the quirks that it has is sometimes you have to like repeat yourself and say it again because sometimes it won't pick up that you're saying Google Home or hey, you know. So, because if I said it, it'll do it. But sometimes you'll give the command and it won't work, and you just have to say it again, and then it'll get it the second time. So another thing that I have it set up for is this light over here. As a matter of fact, so right there I have that light. Now I can say, "Hey Google, turn the light green."
Okay, changing the last room light to green.
Perfect. See, so now you see that it's actually green. I can say, "Hey Google, turn off the room light."
You got it, turning the last room light off.
Now, I actually have this set up where my ceiling lights are actually also controlled by it. So separately, I could say, "Hey Google, dim the room lights,"
Okay, dimming the last room light.
or "Hey Google, dim the ceiling lights."
You got it, dimming 2 lights.
"Hey Google, dim the lights some more."
You got it, dimming 3 lights.
And then, I can say, "Hey Google, turn the room light on."
Okay, turning on the last room light.
So basically, I have it set up where the floor lamp is the room light, and then up here I have it set up as the ceiling light. So if I say, "Hey Google, turn off the ceiling light,"
Sure, turning
it'll
off 2
turn off the
lights.
ceiling light. So if I say, "Hey Google, turn on," hey Google, turn on the ceiling lights.
You got it, turning 2
See,
lights
and it'll
on.
turn them back on. And then I can say, "Hey Google, play Avril Lavigne music videos on the TV."
Sure, playing a YouTube mix of Avril Lavigne on Lost TV.
"Hey Google, mute the audio on the TV." Okay, so guys, like that, I won't actually get any copyrights infringements or anything. And then one other thing that I have it set up for is I can actually say, "Hey Google, turn on the fan."
You got it, turning the fan on.
"Hey Google, turn off the fan."
You got it, turning off the fan.
And it's still doing that. Now I actually have it set up in a way where I can actually say, "Hey Google, I am leaving,"
Okay.
and it'll
Have a great
actually
day, Carlos.
turn everything off in the room. And then I can also say, "Hey Google, I'm home."
Hi, Carlos. Welcome home. Sure, turning 3 lights on. Okay, changing the last room light to white. Sure, setting 3 lights brightness to 100%.
And there you go, guys. So that's everything that the Google Home can do. And it can do so much more, to be honest. And you can add on to it as you see fit. And yeah, that's all I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great night.